This is a quick demonstration on how to shred up this polyfill stuffing so then it's fluffier. With use, the polyfill gets clumped up over time, and more high quality brands of polyfill don't tend to clump, but if you just buy the regular stuff, it does eventually turn into little lumps like this. Basically, you just take it and shred up all the little pieces out of it, and the more you shred it, the smaller you shred it, the better it turns out. Once you shred it like this, it actually lasts quite a bit longer in the shredded state and doesn't clump up, so it's better overall if you're able to shred it.